Nobody passed a law to take this money from you. You'll never see it on a paycheck or a bill. But every year, a silent tax shrinks what your dollars can buy, and the people who understand it quietly come out ahead. Episode 3 showed a savings account losing to inflation. Now the force itself, what inflation really is, why it behaves like a tax, and how to stop being on the losing side of it. Inflation is simply prices rising over time, which means each dollar buys a little less than it did. The number in your wallet stays the same, its power quietly erodes. A dollar today won't buy a dollar's worth in 10 years, and over a lifetime that gap is huge. Cash, just sitting there, slowly melts. Here's why it acts like a hidden tax. It transfers value away from people who hold cash and fixed savings toward people who hold assets, and notably, borrowers, because debts get repaid in cheaper future dollars. If your wealth is cash, inflation taxes you. If your wealth is in things that rise with prices, you're shielded, or you even benefit. Same economy, opposite outcomes, depending on what you own. So bury the myth that saving cash is the safe choice. Holding only cash isn't safe. It's a guaranteed slow loss to inflation. And the myth that inflation only hurts the poor, it hurts whoever holds cash. The asset-rich often gain. Myth busted. Doing nothing with money is itself a losing bet. Stand on the winning side. 1. Hold only as much cash as you actually need, emergency fund and near-term spending in a high-yield account. 2. Put long-term money into assets that historically outpace inflation, broad market investments, the snowball from episode 1. 3. Understand that sensible fixed-rate debt can quietly shrink in real terms over time. Own things that rise, don't hoard the thing that melts. Bury it. Inflation is an invisible tax on cash, paid by savers and dodged by owners. Keep cash lean, put the rest into assets that grow with or beyond prices, and you flip from inflation's victim to its beneficiary. If that revealed the tax you never knew you paid, subscribe. Cashflow Clarity busts one money myth every week. No hype, no jargon. Next, how the stock market actually works, minus the casino myth. See you there.